Welcome to Silkytreat Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 60 minutes start to finish. Shepherd's pie spinach leaves 4 cheeses. Ingredients: potatoes, butter, salt, pepper, nutmeg, ground pork, spinach leaves. 4 cheeses: cheddar, Gouda, Emmental, Gruyere. Preparation: slice the peeled and washed potatoes and boil in salted water for 20 minutes or when soft to a knife end. Once cooked, drain the water from the potatoes. In a pot, cook, add a splash of virgin olive oil, 230 grams of ground pork, add salt, pepper, nutmeg. In a pot, add a slice of butter and cook the fresh spinach leaves for 4 minutes, adding salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Once these 3 items are cooked, insert at the bottom of an oven pan starting with the potatoes slices, the ground meat, spinach, then follow the same method to do another layer of the same ingredients. Add the 4 grated cheeses on top and a few slices of butter. Insert in the oven, selection grill for 15 minutes or until the cheese shows a nice gold color. All ready to serve and eat with most meals. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.